Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Mace of Ambition in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the northeast part of the Demonis region at the Spire of Clockwork in Breezeblown Knoll. Keep in mind that you do need to be in Chapter 9 to acquire this weapon because we need the key for this tower to access the secret area. Another thing is that it seems like there are no actual entrances to access the secret area where the weapon is located. So we will use a clipping method to get the item. The devs might have forgotten this weapon because this is the only method you can access it. Now first, let's open the door to the spire using the key we got from Chapter 8. Next, pull this lever down to turn the tower on so all the cogs on the lower half will spin. Climb up until you reach the next part of the tower where the cogs are turned off. Pull the lever here as well to turn on the cogs in the upper half. Now let's head out and go to this side of the tower. Keep climbing up until you reach these cogs outside of the tower. Once you see these set of cogs, stand on that specific cog right there until it pushes you inside the tower. Once you're in, squeeze through the gaps until you're free from the rotating cogs. Now, climb up until you're in this area. Next, destroy these pipes using power shot or explosive arrows. Squeeze through this small opening in the corner and you will see this cog platform. Climb up to the next level from this platform and you will see a pillar behind a steel wall. If you climb this pillar, you will find the Mace of Ambition at the top. This weapon comes with 19 attack, level 1 attack speed, and it's on its 4th level of refinement. However, this weapon is the single most broken weapon in the game when it comes to raw stats since it already has a fire affinity attached to it. Unlike other weapons with affinity, this weapon doesn't have any durability meter and can also be refined. Additionally, every attack from this weapon causes a small fire explosion. The damage that this weapon puts out makes it almost on par with the damage output of two-handed weapons, making it extremely strong. And that is how to get the Mace of Ambition in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.